Qurate AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that just hit the market. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software if you're considering adding it to your digital marketing toolbox. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes Qurate AI stand out and whether it's the right fit for your business. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing how you can try it for free and why it could be a game changer for your strategy. First off, what makes Qurate AI unique? It's designed to simplify complex tasks by automating customer insights, content creation, and data analysis. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, Qurate AI takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process by delivering actionable insights in real time. It essentially works like a virtual assistant for your marketing efforts, helping you stay ahead of the curve. One of the standout features of Qurate AI is its ability to analyze and synthesize data quickly. In a world where data is abundant but time is limited, being able to process and extract meaningful insights faster is invaluable. Instead of sifting through spreadsheets or trying to decode trends manually, Qurate AI does it for you, helping you spot patterns and opportunities you might otherwise miss. Now, if you're worried about ease of use, don't be. Qurate AI is designed with simplicity in mind. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and straightforward. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Whether you're automating emails, tracking customer behavior, or generating reports, everything is easy to navigate and customized to fit your needs. Another crucial element is the content creation capabilities of Qurate AI. The software can help you generate high-quality content based on your specific needs. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or even ad copy, Qurate AI can create compelling text with just a few prompts. For anyone who struggles with writer's block or needs to produce content at scale, this is a massive time saver. The software also offers deep integration capabilities, meaning it connects seamlessly with tools you're likely already using, like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and social media platforms. This ensures that you don't have to switch between platforms constantly, making your workflow more efficient. But what about its adaptability? One of the best things about Qurate AI is its ability to evolve with your business. As your marketing needs grow or change, Qurate AI adapts to meet those shifts. The software continuously learns from your interactions, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and refining its suggestions. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Qurate AI is not just affordable, but also scalable. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large marketing team, it offers flexible plans designed to grow with you. And remember, you can try the software for completely free from the first link below, so there's no risk in giving it a shot. In conclusion, Qurate AI is a powerful tool that can transform the way you approach your marketing efforts. With its combination of data analysis, content creation, ease of use, and adaptability, it's a game changer for anyone looking to level up their digital strategy. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Qurate AI stands out, and I believe it's worth your time to explore. If you're interested in trying out Qurate AI, be sure to use the link in the description below to access a free trial. And as always, check out my recommended AI software list in the description as well. I've tested them all, so you don't have to.